morning, sir.
Good
morning,
sir.
student. Good morning. All of you sit down. I am Mohammed Azhar. I'm going to teach you science. Now, I will ask some of the question from you all. You have to answer it by raising your hand properly. All of you give answer to me. What is element?
So, element is an essential or characteristics of metal and non-metal.
Very good. So, give some examples of element.
Sir,
Yes, pick up.
sodium, chlorine, lead, etc.
Check. Very good. Sit down. Have a seat. Who will say, tell me how many type of elements are there? Give me two types. Two different between the two types of elements.
Sir,
Yes.
metal, not metal.
Very good. Sit down. You tell me what do you understand by metal? What is metal? Yes.
A metal is a solid or heated and passes through electricity. It is a component which is typically heat and essential of electricity.
Very good. Have a seat. Who will tell me what are the properties of metal? So, you're not able to give me the answer. We will start. The topic is metal and its property. See, students, we will start today metal. Metal mostly is an element which you can touch, which you can feel, and which you can use to do many of your works. We will start our topic today is metal and its property. That is properties of metals. So first property is hardness. Metal is hard to feel. As you have to cut something like iron, you have to cut some of the steel parts. You use what? Metal. First part is hardness. Second part is malleability. That is, we can spread the metal into sheets like iron. You beat that metal into some of the very, very long time, it will become the big and long sheet. That is malleability. Any of you give me the examples of malleable?
So, tin.
Tin. Yes, tin. Any more example? No. Tin. Tin is a very good example. Like you have seen that tin in which you keep the oil. It is made from the metal. Next is ductility. That is retaining all the metal in the form of the wires. You have seen that metal is always in wire form. Any of you give me the example of metal in wire form?
So, copper wire.
Copper wire. It is the malleability and ductility. So now we come on the fourth property, that is the part of the electricity. That is electricity. What is the property of metal which is there electricity? Who will tell me?
Sir,
Yes.
so electricity of metal is metal can pass electricity through it.
Very good. That's a good answer. We can pass pretty very good. That is the metal is a good conductor of electricity. So third part is that heat. Heat. You have seen that what is the heat part, how metal pass heat. Who will tell me how is metal and heat is compared to each other? Who will tell me? No problem. See, whenever you heat iron, it heat very iron or some of the part which are used in metal?
So iron ball bearings for used and knife making knives.
Great. That is the it can use in the hardness part. How you can use the metal part in heat part? Like the utensils you use in your home for making the tea, making the some of the foods. So the base is made of the metal. Why? Because metal is a good conductor of heat. Achha, now we have come on to some of the part of the some of the level 2 property of metal. Who will tell me difference between metal and non-metal? Only two difference.
Sir,
Yes.
some metals are hard, lustrous, electricity. It can pass electricity and heated well, but non-metals are not heated well, not hard, and not pass through it electricity. And metals are lustrous, but non-metals are not lustrous.
ठीक है, very good. हाँ, here's a very good thing. Lustrous, shiny nature. Shine nature. What is the shine nature? Metal mostly jewelries which we wear, yeah, mostly women's wear. Silver jewelries mostly they are the metal part. So we can make sound from the metal. Who will tell me how we can make sound from metals?
So by beaten.
By beaten, for example, if we beat the metal, most times mostly we speak on the metal, they help to transmit the sound to some of the propagated areas. ठीक है? That are the part of metals. अच्छा, how is metal formed? Who will tell me metal? How is metal formed? Metal is formed at normal temperature, but mercury is a metal which is not formed at normal temperature. Mercury is liquid at normal temperature. First part is this. Second thing is that we have come on one part. Why is metal used in jewelry part? Who can tell me?
Because sir, it is lustrous and shiny.
Lustrous and shiny.
Platinum, silver, gold.
So that was part of our topic today. So I have bring some of the questions. First of all, we'll go through the chart of some of the things we have brought today. Like this. See, all of you can see it. This is the metal. When metals are used in ductility, we are shown on wires. Like this. This is the metallic part used for ductility. Metal can be drawn in wire in the form of this wire form. Second is malleability. We can make the sheet. The iron fling we use is on foods to keep the food that is food for long time. Heated part.
So aluminium foil.
Aluminium foil. Very good answer. Conductivity. That is we can conduct electricity through wires with the help of metal wires. Third form is hardness. We can beat the metal many of time to get the output of what it. For example, we can use it for our hammer, mostly beating the iron for long period of time. It did not get broken. Sonority, which is this boy has told me, sound. The iron bell at your school.
Yes, sir.
It bell like this, tan, 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 with the help of the iron. So we come on the last topic: metal, non-metal different. Metal form cation, metal, non-metal form anions, metal good conductor. Non-metal are dual conductors. They make sound, do not make sound. Temperature, that is good. Their temperature is low. These are the part of the metal, non-metal part. So now we come on the some of the questions I will ask from you. You have to answer them very properly. Students, there are the 5 questions on today's topic. First question is, name 5 property of metal. Who will tell me?
Sir,
You can come from that side. You can write on the blackboard, whiteboard. This side. Come. That corner. Properties of metal. Only 5 properties. Proper answer. Property of metal are Like ductility, you write lustrous, not too long answer. Okay, fine. Very good, Ta.
Sorry, sir.
Have
My
your
handwriting was
seat.
very bad.
Have your seat. The question is, name two examples. Give two examples of metal which are malleable and ductible. Who will tell me? Give two examples of metal which are malleable and ductible.
Sir,
Yes. Speak on that one. Yes. Speak there only.
sir, silver,
Huh?
gold.
Very good. Silver and
Gold.
gold.
So it can be beaten into thin wires and they are malleable.
Okay, fine. Have your seat. Good. Answer first is on the whiteboard. All of you write in your notebooks.
Right.
5. Properties of metals are hardness, good conductor of electricity, good conductor of heat, can be drawn into sheets, can be
Into wires.
drawn into wire. Okay, nice. So answer number 2 is, give two examples of metals which are malleable and ductible.
Lustrous, sorry, sir. Silver and gold.
Silver and gold. Silver and gold can be used for malleable and ductility. So answer number 3. Question is, why are metals used in utensils?
So what is the meaning of utensils?
Utensils is cooker, mostly cooking object which is used at your home.
Because their base is a good conductor of heat.
Metal are used in utensils because they are good conductor of heat. All of you copy the question answers in your notebook. Fourth question is, which property of metal make them suitable for jewelries?
Sir,
Yes.
so platinum, silver, gold.
Property, I'm not asking example, only property.
So property. So because they are shiny.
Lustrous property.
Lustrous.
Answer number 5, who will tell me? Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Yes.
Some mercury.
Mercury. Very good. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. You copied it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now we will do some more exercises. All metals except dash are liquid under room temperature.
Sir, mercury.
Mercury. Good answer. Fill in the blanks. Mercury. Now, which property of metals draw in sheets?
Aluminum.
No. Property of metal. Sheets.
Sir, because they are ductible.
Ductibility. Metals are dash conductor of heat
Sir,
and heat. Yes. Good conductor. Very good. Last topic. Metal have dash density. Good or bad? Good. Good, sir. Yeah, more density. All of you copy this in your copy.
Yes, sir.
And the last topic is write your homework in diary. Give 5 properties of metals and explain it.
Sir, please repeat.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Write the properties of metals in your copy. ठीक है. Second question is difference between metal non-metals.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.